So we have another property for sale, guys. This is 8,163 square meters at 350 pesos per square meter, located in Corelia, Bohol. It's somewhere in Barangay Cantata, Corelia, Bohol. So it has lansones fruit, pero wala ni maatiman, guys, kay wala may nagkuan. Then also coconut trees. So kanang dihang pata, guys, apil pa na siya, no, ito sa ubos. Then it has a wide frontage, taas kayo of frontage, guys. Akin ni basura ni siya, guys, ibutang nila na imukuha ni na siya. So mana, no, and it has also a old house, na old house ya. So nindot, guys, kato dito sakyanan, no, gasugod. Taas kayo siya og frontage, wide frontage. So tapay lansones sa likod gihapon, guys. Daghan siya lansones, kana sa lansones na. So this is the old house, no. So diyan ini ara tataman, guys. O day balimbing. Oh. Balimbing foot. See? Nani mga hinog. So kini gyud taas kayo frontage, guys. Water, electricity, signal is good. So kana nga portion da, guys, pasaka is included. Atong nauga gamay kay aron clarix yun kayo. Oh. See? Di ay murag creek siya gamay, guys. So ting-uwan murag man ni agyanan, murag yang drainage system. See? Kini clearing rek kulang ani. So this is part of the property, guys. Imagine, this is 8,163 square meters. So this is the back portion of the house. Okay. So depende sa imong pag-design, no. Baka wa na ilabot. Okay. So mo ni siya, guys. So nasa mga lubi. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye. Naon nagtagbay, pero apil ni siya sa property, guys. Jackfruit. Temporary ra ni. Ato na lang gisumpay sa video. Thank you.